Hey there and welcome. If you're looking to combine multiple Mailchimp audiences into one, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to centralize your contacts in Mailchimp, making your email marketing so much cleaner and more efficient. Whether you're consolidating after importing lists or just bringing everything under one roof, I'll walk you through every step, so let's dive right in. Start by heading over to Mailchimp and logging into your account. Once you're inside, look for the Audience section. This is where all your contact lists live. Take a moment here to make sure you know which audiences you'll want to combine. Maybe you have separate audiences for leads, newsletter subscribers, or event attendees. Combining them makes it so much easier to manage and send targeted campaigns. With your audience selected, find the More Options button. This is typically represented by three dots or a similar icon. Think of More Options as the Swiss Army knife of your audience panel. It hides all those extra tools you might need, including the one we're after today. Click into Audience Settings next, and from there look for Manage Audience. This is like your command center for housekeeping tasks. There should be a drop-down arrow next to Manage Audience. Click it, and in that menu you'll spot the option to combine audiences. Go ahead and select it. Now here's an important part that's worth slowing down for. You'll see a drop-down menu asking you to choose which audience will become your primary audience. The primary audience is critical because it's where all of your contacts, along with their additional information, known as merged data, will land. It's like choosing which suitcase gets all the best packing cubes in organization. So take a pause here, double-check which audience has the cleanest and most complete data, and select that one as your primary. Remember, once you combine, the primary audience will be the hub for all your contacts going forward, so be thoughtful with this selection. Once you've picked your primary audience, click Next to proceed. Mailchimp will then give you the option to add incoming contacts to a specific group within that primary audience. This is super handy if you want to keep track of who came from where. For example, you might want newsletter import or past clients as different groups, so your data stays organized even after everything's combined. After making your group selection, click Next again. Now you'll be taken to the confirmation page. Take a moment here. Mailchimp is about to reshape the way your contacts are structured, so it's a good time to double-check your settings, just like proofreading an important email before you hit send. If everything looks right, you're ready to go. Click Confirm to finalize your choices. Mailchimp will prompt you to click Combine Audiences. Once you do, the process begins. It might take a moment or two, especially if you have a lot of contacts. But just like that, you've simplified your account with all your contacts, groups, and data merged into your chosen primary audience. And that's it, you're done. Your Mailchimp workspace is now tidier, more efficient, and ready for your next big campaign. If this video helped, please hit that like button, drop any questions you have in the comments. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.